Yeah, I'm a snorer, but I'm okay with that now. Apparently I sound like a motorbike going up a hill. She tried everything, elbowing me, sighing, and even sleeping in another room. At one point even, I woke up and she was Googling if sleep apnea treatment is cheaper or more expensive than divorce. That's when I found the Slumberite earplugs. These things are tiny and honestly magical for our relationship and noise cancelling. Now she sleeps and I still get to snore in peace. Now we're both less cranky in the morning because she got a whole night rest and didn't wake me up. If you are a snorer and you want to treat your partner, trust me, get the Slumberite sleep kit. It is a game changer for any relationship. Press the link below and get the Slumberite sleep kit today.